and I actually already wrote out A, but I'm going to talk you through what I did. So we were given NaCl and aqueous and calcium nitrate and aqueous. So what I like to do is, it's called the rainbow. So you do the inner with the inner and the outer with the outer. And this is how you mix match the different ions or components of the two compounds. So I get sodium nitrate and calcium chloride. And if you look at the solubility rules, which you guys should have memorized by now, nitrate is always soluble, and then chlorine is always soluble unless it's with lead, silver, or mercury. So that's not the case. So this is all, they're both soluble. So since everything is soluble, no reaction occurred. And then I'm going to go over E, and I guess this time I can actually show you guys how to do it. And E is potassium sulfate and aqueous, and lead chlorate to aqueous. So again, we're going to do inner with inner, outer with outer. And we're going to rewrite that. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that. So we know, before we rewrite it, just for mental check, we're going to do the charges. So this is 2 minus. And then lead is, it would depend on this. So this is -1. And this is +1. Or since there's 2, I'm sorry. Since there's 2, then the total charge for this would be a -2, so we need a +2 to balance it out. So again, inner with inner is going to be lead sulfate. We can put this in parentheses, but since this is a +2 and a -2, it balances out, so we don't need to put anything. And then potassium 1 chlorate balances out, and there's a 2 in front of here just to balance the reaction. So these are 2 products. So now we have to look if this is soluble and if this is soluble. So looking at the solubility rules, we know that chlorate is always soluble, but then we know that sulfate is soluble unless it's with calcium, silver, mercury, strontium, barium, or lead, which in our case it's found with lead. When it's with lead, it's not soluble, meaning this is going to form a precipitate. So this is going to be your answer 5, the answer for number 5.